So, hello friends, it's a weekend again, errand day tayo, punta tayo sa school ng kid natin. And medyo maaga pa, we have time for some coffee, magkape muna tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa BF. So we go to Alex Coffee. I hope I don't overshoot, I don't miss it, and I hope it's open. Buddha Coffee is closed. Let's try Alex Coffee. Na-miss ko tong lugar na to kasi meron kaming grupo dito before na pinupuntahan, yung BF Moto. Kamusta kaya yun? Yun talaga sigurado pag mag-invite yun pupunta ako. It's been a while. Sana may open na. Sana open na. I think it's this one, Alex Cafe. Alex Cafe. Aga kasi it's only 7:30. So Luna Cafe is open. But hindi ko pa subukan yung parking dun eh. Itong Alex Coffee talagang, Alex Cafe talagang subukan na yung parking dyan. And the food I've tried already. I've got nothing against Luna, pero I'm short in time to explore. Siguro next time na magawi tayo dito sa BF. Where is that? Did I overshoot? Nalampas yata ako. Shout out Brother Gilbert. Kamusta ang BF Moto? Yep, lumampas ako. Let's try Concordia. Natin tong Concordia. Is it open? This is the Concordia. So okay, instead of Alex Cafe, mag-Concordia tayo. Lumampas kasi tayo eh. So let's see what they have here. We're just gonna stay here for maybe 15 minutes. Bilis din. Concordia's Cafe. Ito yung Concordia. First time natin dito, maganda pala dito. So makikita siya sa loob ng BF. Dito sa Parañaque. And yan si Jarvis, Concordia, name ng cafe. Open sila from 7 I guess till 11 or yung usual time ng mga cafe sa loob ng village. Dito yung breakfast natin. They call this the big breakfast. Mabilis yung serving nila. Tama-tama, we're just killing time. So we got this big breakfast together with this hot Americano. Total bill natin nasa 580 pesos. Sulit na rin. So na-amaze talaga ako sa itsura dito, guys. Ganda. They got pastries, and of course the drinks, the usual cafe menu. So far, ito pa lang yung natatry natin na food, or itatry pa lang natin na food. Highly recommended to by my kids. And sikat to sa school nila dito sa Parañaque.
Hindi ko na isasama sa video yung school. Okay din yung Concordia. Masarap yung food, super heavy. Hindi ko akalain na ganun kalaki. Sabi big yung nga, sana pala nakinig ako. Anyway, yun lang guys. Kung nandito kayo sa BF, try nyo yun, Concordia Cafe. Yun lang guys, thanks for watching and rock and ride.